The marshals will come. Marshals they are guards of the speaker. Okay. In the parliament. Listen, children. Yes, everyone, eyes on me. Come here and have your seats. Great round of applause. Miss Bhargavi. Bhargavi, she is playing the role of speaker. With a great round of applause.
I request all the members to please take their seats. Order, order. Sabalo Kramashikshana పాటించండి. Today's agenda is the discussion on the statutory limits on artificial intelligence, Bill 2026. I request the Honorable Technology Minister to introduce the bill.
Honorable Speaker, artificial intelligence is changing every sector. AI is helping doctors, AI is helping farmers as well as students. But power without law becomes danger. Therefore, our government introduces this bill.
Honorable Speaker, technology is welcome but uncontrolled technology is dangerous. Mantri garu, AI ni కనిపెట్టడం గొప్ప కాదు, AI కి హద్దులు పెట్టడం గొప్ప.
Honorable Speaker, the opposition speaks only about the problem. Government must provide solution. This bill balances innovation and public safety. దేశం ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలంటే టెక్నాలజీ కూడా ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి.
Honorable Speaker, students are asking AI to complete homeworks. Tomorrow teacher attendance kuda AI వేస్తుందా?
AI should assist learning, but creativity, curiosity, critical thinking. This must always belongs to students. AI answers ఇవ్వగలదు కానీ అర్థం చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం విద్యార్థి నేర్చుకోవాలి.
Speaker ma'am, fake videos, fake voice, fake news, all is created by using AI. That's why stronger safeguards are needed. ప్రజల నమ్మకాన్ని కాపాడే చట్టం ఎక్కడ? ప్రజల నమ్మకాన్ని కాపాడే చట్టం ఎక్కడ?
Cyber crime is increasing. Therefore, this bill proposes strict punishment for AI-based fraud. AI లో నేరం చేస్తే చట్టం కూడా AI స్పీడ్ తోనే స్పందిస్తుంది.
Minister sir, laws are easy, implementation is difficult. Social media చట్టం ఉండకూడదు, ప్రజల జీవితంలో ఉండాలి.
Our budget includes funds for AI research, digital literacy, cyber security and skill development. AI లో పెట్టుబడి భవిష్యత్తులో పెట్టుబడి. Respected Speaker, both government and opposition are correct. Government wants innovation, opposition wants accountability. రెండు చక్రాలు బాగుంటేనే బండి ముందుకు వెళ్తుంది. Similarly, innovation and regulation must go together.
Order, order. Please maintain silence. Honorable Speaker, కత్తితో కూరగాయలు కాయవచ్చు, అదే కత్తితో నేరం కూడా చేయవచ్చు. The problem is not AI, the problem is misuse.
Minister sir, one question. If AI rejects someone's scholarship, who is responsible? Nobody. People deserve answer.
We accept many suggestions from the opposition. Accordingly, human reviews will be mandatory. Privacy will be protected. Transparency will be ensured. Children's data will receive extra safeguards.
Speaker, we students don't fear AI. We fear losing opportunities because of unfair AI. Please make AI our teacher, not judge. AI మాకు సహాయం చేయాలి, మా భవిష్యత్తును నిర్ణయించకూడదు.
Order, order. Today's assembly clearly shows one truth. Technology is powerful. Law is essential. Human values are irreplaceable. Artificial intelligence may write code, but only human intelligence may write justice. AI की తెలివి ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ బాధ్యత మనిషిదే. मशीन सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन इंसान ही सही और गलत का फैसला कर सकता है. Those who in the favor of the bill say AI, those who against it say no. Please be seated in your places. And the statutory limits of AI Bill 2026 is passed. The House is adjourned. I request all the members to stand for the national anthem.
I